Good evening, Japan, and welcome to ENJ News. I'm Dom.
And I'm Dylan.
Today we will bring you updates on yesterday's tragedy. 50 countries were given a tsunami warning, but a warning was not enough.
The tsunami soon followed an earthquake, hitting the coastline of the northern Pacific Japanese islands.
Japan is still reeling from the tsunamis. So far, the reported casualties are 327 people.
The cause of the tsunami was due to the geographic location. It's on top of the fault line between the North American and the Pacific plates.
The Pacific plate slid under the North American plate, causing tension to release between the two. The tsunami occurred less than an hour after the earthquake. Heights of the waves reached 133 feet.
There's a lot of environmental damage from the two tragedies. For example, the coastal canals are all clogged with sediments and will need to be drained.
Another example of this is the water and sewage systems are going to need to be reconstructed because they were damaged, which will result in cross-contamination. And as of now, the water is unsafe to drink.
Breaking news, it was just tested that the earthquake caused Japan's coast to shift 8 feet.
I don't believe they will be passing any new laws because of the events, but they will have to change the warning system. One, because it underestimated the size of both events, and two, because it failed to notify them on time.
A lot of the debris from the mainland washed into the ocean, which could also lead to environmental issues into the future. We predict that there will be a lot more findings of leftover debris in 2015.
The earthquake and tsunami are causing what we are now calling the Fukushima nuclear disaster. The radiation levels are increasing rapidly and the chemicals are becoming harmful to the population. Directly after the disaster in Japan, the Japanese American Citizens League, or JACL, established the Japan Relief and Recovery Fund. They all contribute to restoration in Japan. These pictures demonstrate all of the devastation that the earthquake and tsunami caused. A lot of people came and supported Japan during this time to help restore their cities and towns. People had to wear protective clothing because of the chemicals from the Fukushima nuclear disaster.
Well, send them your heart, oh, so they know that someone cares.
So their cries for help will not be in vain.
We can't let them suffer. No, we cannot turn away.
Right now, they need a helping hand. No someone lie. We are the children. We are the ones who make a right.